Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will explain how to make salmon less fishy. Start with the freshest salmon possible, looking for firm, bright flesh. A quick rinse under cold water and thorough, patting dry removes surface impurities. Then, a simple soak in milk or a mild acid like lemon juice for about 15 to 20 minutes can significantly reduce any strong fishy odors. This easy first step sets the stage for a delicious, less fishy meal. Acidic marinades are your secret weapon against fishiness. Lemon juice, lime juice, or even a splash of white wine can work wonders when marinating for about 20 minutes. Don't forget to incorporate fresh herbs such as dill, parsley, or thyme, which naturally enhance the salmon's taste. A good sprinkle of salt and pepper before cooking will also elevate the overall flavor profile. The way you cook salmon greatly impacts its flavor. High-heat methods like pan-searing or grilling for just a few minutes per side are ideal. Overcooking is a common mistake that can make salmon taste more fishy and dry. Use a meat thermometer to ensure it reaches an internal temperature of 145 degrees Fahrenheit for perfect doneness and a moist, flavorful result. To complete your less fishy salmon experience, consider your serving accompaniments. A vibrant lemon dill sauce or a zesty citrus vinaigrette can cut through any remaining fishiness beautifully. Pairing your salmon with fresh, crisp vegetables or a light salad provides a refreshing contrast. A final garnish of fresh herbs or a squeeze of lemon adds a bright, aromatic finish to your perfectly prepared dish.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.